Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install DBeaver latest version on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Then we will connect MySQL and PostgreSQL from the DBeaver. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to DBeaver official website, that is DBeaver.io. See here, DBeaver community is a free cross-platform database tool for developers, DB admins, analysts, and everyone working with data. It supports all popular SQL databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache family, and more. And see here we have the two versions, Community and Pro. Community is the open source, Pro is the commercial version. In this video we are going to download and install Community. Click on download. See here the latest release is 25.2. For Ubuntu or Debian or Linux Mint type operating systems, we have to click on this Linux Mint Debian package. Click on it to download. No need to register. See, download started and its size is 128 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. See, download is completed. Open terminal. Go to downloads. ls. See here we have the DBeaver CE 25.2 Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i db. Press the tab from your keyboard to autofill enter Debian package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Go to show applications. See here we have the DBeaver CE. C means community edition. Click on it to open. Close this one. Close. I don't want sample databases. No. Then maximize it. Now we will see we got the DBeaver 25.2. Now we will connect to MySQL and PostgreSQL server. Let me verify whether PostgreSQL is installed. See, I don't have PostgreSQL. Okay. See, I have MySQL. So connect to MySQL, but the connection process for both PostgreSQL and MySQL is same. Click on this plus button or plugin button. Then select the MySQL. If you want to connect PostgreSQL, you have to select PostgreSQL. Then click on next. Then MySQL is installed on this one, so localhost is fine. 3306 the port number for MySQL. I have the database bank. This is the username. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on test connection. Click on download. See, this is the expected error. Public key retrieval is not allowed. Click on OK. Now go to driver properties. See here public key retrieval. By default it is false. Select true and click on finish. Now expand the connection. See here we have the databases, users and other information. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install DBeaver latest version 25.2 on Ubuntu 24.04. Then we have connected to MySQL. Okay. For more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.